Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to open links in a new tab in Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Now, go ahead and navigate to a web page with multiple links. As you can see, when we tap on a link, it opens in the current tab. Right now, I only have one tab open. If you want to open a link in a new tab, all you have to do is perform a long press on the link. Hold your finger on the link for a moment, and a menu will appear. Within that menu, you'll easily find the Open in New Tab option. Tap on it, and voila! A new tab is created, and the link opens in that new tab. Now that you've opened a link in a new tab, you can easily switch between your open tabs in Safari. Just tap on the tabs icon at the bottom right of the screen and navigate between your tabs effortlessly. And there you have it. That's how you can easily open links in a new tab in Safari on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.